our great honor to have all of you to be here for our grand opening ceremony. Mr. Aaron Chen and me, we registered our company in November of 2019, and we started to operate in February 2020. It's a very special time. Almost the same time the COVID-19 happened. And I believe we can do more good things on this beautiful land with our hardworking and technology ideas. Our mission is to be a good facilitator of Fiji government on the sustainable energy plan to provide the best solar solution to our friends live on this land. Not only Fiji, but based in Fiji to more than other countries around Fiji. My product and my service already reached to more than 3 countries around Fiji: Kiribati, Tuvalu, Vanuatu, Solomon, and some other place. To contribute to a beautiful Fiji, a more beautiful Fiji, to our better home, or to our better new home. The name is Fiji. Let us try our best in an honest way. Vinaka Wakelevu.
Ladies and gentlemen, the world, through the 2015 Paris Agreement and other legislative frameworks, endeavor to keep the global average temperature rise as close as possible to 1.5 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels. It is a central part of the battle to protect our planet from the effects of the very real climate change. The opening of this center today is greatly significant on a personal level for me, as it is closely linked to my personal interest in the field of climate change and the protection of our environment. My passion to work on these spaces are not only centered around my traditional obligations in protecting the environment, conservation efforts, and the protection of the oceans, but stems from Fiji's 5-year plan and the 20-year National Development Plan, which sets goals for a resource-efficient, cost-efficient, and environmentally sustainable energy sector. The National Development Plan further dwells into improving the effectiveness and the sustainability of existing management models for off-grid rural electrification, including renewable energy service companies and community cooperatives to provide electricity to isolated communities, remote islands, and areas not serviced by EFL grid. Like most small island developing states, there is an investment gap in the renewable energy sector. However, here in Fiji, we are fortunate that organizations much like Dawn Renewable Energy Fiji Limited have identified this gap and have made the bold move to invest in Fiji regardless of the COVID-19 pandemic. Their foresight, persistence, and patience has paid off with today's grand opening, and congratulations on this milestone achievement. I'm equally excited at the opportunities to use renewable energy that is now at our doorstep, with initiatives like Dawn Renewable Energy expanding its operations not only in Nadi but in Honolulu, in Lambasa, and in Kandabo. I only wish the company well in their endeavors and future plans, especially in Kandabo. In conclusion, a big Minakabole to Paul and your team for your passionate contribution to Fiji's renewable energy efforts that in the long term will achieve the national aim of transforming our energy consumption in the hope to mitigate climate change and its effect on Fiji. May the Almighty God continue to bless Fiji and each of us.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's now time.